Okay, so this video we're getting ready to go camping at Martin Head. So we're just getting the side-by-side loaded up. So me, my wife, my son, and my dog. So it's gonna be a tight squeeze, but I got our dining tent in there. I got water, chairs, our little tent for our toilet. We got our toilet, our gas, cooler, and yeah, we got all our camping stuff, mattresses. So yeah, we're just getting loaded up here now. We were gonna go tomorrow, but we might go tonight. So we'll see how far we get. I got another tote to get loaded. So yeah, we'll get moving on this. Okay, we are loaded up. I just have a couple more things to throw in and I gotta put this strap on, but here it is, got the clothes. I should just have ran another tote, but whatever. Bedding. Everything's in here. I got to throw the tools down. Yeah, it is. We are loaded. My dog is going in here. And then us three here. So, kind of impromptu. Quickly packed up everything. So, yeah. There it is. I'll pull it outside. Get the last couple things thrown in. And then we're getting out of here. Are you good if I just meet you in Riverglade?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll meet you at the turn?
Yeah.
Okay. I just go? What do you...
Can you follow this road? Don't turn off.
Okay, I might just go then so I get the tent up. He's falling asleep.
You're good.
Okay, I'll see you there.
Bye.
Oh, I didn't even see that guy. We gotta record this though, Taylor.
Okay.
You excited?
I love camping.
Okay, update. The belt blew up.
Here, feel like I'll film for Daddy.
We blew up the belt.
Said there's Boomy.
There's what?
Said there's Boomy.
Okay.
Mommy, if you need a hand.
Okay. So far.
I can't see what I'm filming at all.
Yo, Kenzie to the rescue. Yo, we're here. Nick, what's your YouTube channel right now?
Nick Van Root?
Nick Van Root. We're here. He's broken down CF Moto U-Force 1000. Broke down on the trail. I got the camper pulled up in case he needs to sleep. Nick, what's going on in there? Update the viewers.
Well, we got two more bolts to go.
Bad view for you guys, but you're hooked to a helmet. He's in there working.
How's your drive so far?
I'm having fun.
I mean, I did tell him he should change this.
You were having fun up until now?
I love Martin.
It's like pretty like
Kenzie, remember this is the one that's reviewed. It was great for 60 kilometers. This is the new belt you put on?
No, this is the...
This is the old. Is this the one that's good for 60 kilometers? Well, how many kilometers to Martin Head from here?
Enough.
Is this belt new?
Yep.
Second bolt.
I'll be laughing tonight.
Okay. Things are hot. Oh, things look great in here. We're gonna be here a while.
Oh, fun.
Well,
Well, I don't know.
thought it canceled.
Oh, we may be lucky.
We didn't tell because we talked about the first.
Right, okay. That's fun. That'd be fun.
Ready? Yeah. Oh. Just so you guys know, when your belt blows up and you have it snorkeled, remove everything out of the hole.
Hey, how did you get that?
Okay, just leave it off, Ken. Making you guys wait. Dude, belt is on.
So I think I'm good.
Oh, so tell them your little what was that T-bar? I showed them it's a custom part. You thread the T-bar into the secondary in one of the two little holes next to the bolt, and then it opens up the secondary and you slip the belt on an angle around it. I hate camping. Dude, this is just trail maintenance. This is basic trail maintenance 101. Could I have a little like an intro to trail maintenance 101? And like go like a
James, the small engine guy.
with James, the small engine guy, yes. Like I'll get a little suit and tie on me. Trail maintenance 101.
This is a hunting sim.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, you've not buckled it.
Okay, new belt on. See if we're good.
Can you buckle wheelers in?
Feels good. Okay. Here we are. We're at the beach. Okay. Is that them down there or no? Or did they go to the right? Maybe they camp down here, I don't know. My belt deleted itself on the way here.
How far back is James?
I don't know, maybe 25 minutes behind me. Well, I don't know, maybe 20. It took 45 minutes to change my belt. Okay, day 2, Martin Head. Foggy. Kens! Yeah, the belt went okay. Yeah, and the beach there? Let's turn around. Okay.
I'm hungry.
Don't like how that sounds.
Me either. Pray for us.
I just need to find low.
Okay, Phoenix, we're gonna stop the snacker. You gotta get off the beach, okay?
There we go. Bye.
Wave goodbye to everyone. Please wave.
Come on, baby. Oh no! Oh, it's fine. Okay. So, second belt this weekend. And you know what? This belt I bought when I bought the buggy, and the top review was only lasted 60 kilometers. So, I guess the top review was right. Don't waste your money on a cheap belt. Or the sheave was messed up, and I couldn't tell when we cleaned it and did the best we could at the side of the trail. So, it is what it is. I got my buddy coming with the trailer, and we're gonna get out of here. Thankfully it didn't blow when we were deep in the woods on the trail. Yo, Cam coming to save us. Pull on down. Okay. Happy New Brunswick Day.
Missing out on nachos and donairs for this right now.
Okay, there they go. Stay. Now you don't have the side by side, so stay behind my. Yo! You like it?
Dude, home sweet home. Dude, Cam's the man. Cam's off-road recovery.
This bill's gonna be crazy. $4,000.
Oh, worth it.
Gas ain't free, buddy.